Frank Mariani with Steet Toyota, and I'm going to show you how to use the navigation system in a 2018 Toyota Avalon. Touch the second half of the screen over here, your navigation screen will pop up. Now if you'd like to go somewhere, you hit the destination button here on the bottom. You can choose to punch in the actual address, choose your state. We're in New York, so we're going to look for New York. There it is. Then we're going to punch in the city. Let's just choose Utica. And then it's going to ask you for the street name, not the house number yet, the street name. So let's try Genesee Street, and it's intuitive. It'll pop up the street names that begin with the letters that you start to punch in, and then just punch in the house number. Say 2122, and then we hit OK. It'll show the destination on the map. On the very bottom here, you're just going to hit go, and the destination has been set. At this point, we can choose 3 different routes to take, either the quick route, the short route, or the alternate route. Most people will use the quick route. And then we hit OK on the bottom.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
So it'll then tell you on how to get there. And if you'd like to end the guidance, this is another key. Go up here to Options, Edit Route, and then Delete Route. And the guidance will end. If you have any questions on the navigation system for your Avalon, please come down and see me, Frank Mariani, at Steet Toyota.